What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I would just want to go over a couple of things that don't make it to the channel today. I have time because I ordered planks for the basement flooring. It's supposed to be delivered today, and they can't find my order. Who is they? Lowe's, of course. So, with that being said, I have time to make a whole bunch of videos today. So things that don't make it on the channel is the MacBook Pro, the new one that just came out. This bad boy I think is 17 or 2000 something. I can't really remember, but I'll post the price. Last year I bought the Mac Mini, and come to find out that I need to be more portable. So I traded my Mac Mini in to get this bad boy. But the good thing with the trade-in was that I basically got all the money I spent on the Mac Mini back. I basically got back everything that I paid for, and I did a trade-in to get the new MacBook Pro. This is the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Let's straighten this up a little bit. 14-inch MacBook Pro. 16 gigabyte memory and 512 gigabytes for the storage. The only downside for me about this Mac is that the fingerprint don't work all the time. See, I'm having troubles with the fingerprint. Now I gotta enter in the password. Other than that, the computer is fast, it's good. Prior to that though, I bought the Mac Mini. Prior to that, I had a 2008 MacBook. So if you on this channel and say how this dude can just buy products all the time, let me keep you in mind that I had a 2008 MacBook Pro. Okay, so with that being said, I couldn't do no more updates. I think it was like almost 2 years ago they stopped doing updates for that. So I wasn't getting the same software updates as the newer model. So that's why I went and got a Mac Mini. I got a Mac Mini because I already had this Samsung 32-inch monitor. I went and traded the Mac Mini in, and now I'm satisfied with this. I had iPhone since iPhone 4. So you know how long I had Apple. I had Apple forever. The reason why I don't get Dell, I used to have a Dell laptop, Dell compact, isn't that what it is? I have an old compact one. I probably did a video on that about before you throw it away, what should you do before you throw a laptop away. But other than that, my main thing with getting Apple products, here's the main thing: the customer service. Bro, when you get an HP, Dell, all those type of stuff, you talking to somebody, no disrespect, you talking to somebody in the Philippines who's reading off a script, who don't know what the heck is going on. You sitting there, your computer's messed up, you're messed up, the customer service rep is messed up because they don't know what they're talking about. You all over the place. Now, with Apple, you can just go to the store. It is so convenient to be an Apple product owner because you can go to the store. If you have any problem, you have Apple Care. Anything goes wrong, you can replace it. Blah, blah, blah. So that is the big difference between Apple and the rest of them. With that being said, this is one of the biggest purchases from last year that haven't made it on the channel. Another big purchase from last year, I don't have the box, but it's what y'all looking at me in. It's the Canon M50 Mark II. Canon M50 Mark II at the price point of 700 or 800, one One of those prices, 700 or 800. So basically, all in a nutshell, 2 big purchases to $3,000 that haven't made it to the channel. So yeah, those were some big purchases, but needed to be done because I'm doing videos and stuff like that. And plus, I saved up for most of this stuff anyway. Like this laptop, like I said, I had a 2008 laptop. So I was just waiting on the right time to buy a laptop. I saved like $100 a year. So, you know, with that being said, whatever I saved up, I just put into, you know, put into the next big thing. I always do that. I always put money to the side if I want, you know, the next electronic or maybe my future car, even though I probably won't buy a car, but my future car, I put something to the side for that. So I'm always saving. So there's no problem with that. But just to show y'all what don't make it to the channel is something that haven't made it to the channel is the MacBook Pro, the new one, 14-inch, and the Canon M50, which y'all looking at me right now. So we're gonna get into some more content. I'm about to do a top 5 review of 2021 products, and yeah, let's go after that. And I hope y'all like this content, just to hear talking to y'all, because I'm waiting on my planks that got canceled basically, so I have nothing to do today. And that's it. Like, comment, and please subscribe.